Here's everything you need to know this week. An audience watching the Heldovers was locked in and held overnight, getting the full 4D experience. The next World Cup final will be played at New York, New Jersey Stadium. It's so un-American that FIFA doesn't allow host sites to promote brands. It's like, fine. We won't let France and Argentina square off at the Pop-Tart Duke's Mayo del Taco Bowl presented by Theranos. McDonald's says Middle Eastern turmoil is hurting business. Is there a Big Mac with hummus I'm missing? Because it seems like stress eating had a huge spike these past months. Nikki Haley cameoed on SNL, the peak of her presidential run, and Democratic challenger Dean Phillips cameoed on the Roku channel, right here. Miley Cyrus accepted her first Grammy and wowed in an outfit made entirely of safety pins, which went over way better than when I went to the Webbies wearing only push pins. Taking top honors in this year's Minnesota snowplow naming competition was Taylor Drift, blowing past other contenders like Dolly Plowton, You're Killing Me Squalls, Andrew Dismukes, and the Dune Sandworm Bucket. This is authentic, because I did not feel this before we started filming. And it is wrong. Bumble launched an AI-powered deception detector to weed out the scammers and net the catfishes. So if you're a guy on Bumble and the woman you matched with initiates the convo by just writing, hey, that is 100% real. But you really need to know, we got our hands on a prized Vision Pro.
Wow. Wow. Wow.
How is it?
Shut up. I am experiencing.
Oh, come on, what are you looking at?
This is it. This is life now. Hello, Oasis.
All right, Josh, come on, we don't have time for this.
Go away. The mortal world holds no more use for me now.
Dude, it's your wedding.
I said get. There is no Josh, only J Burst, OFA, 1946.